Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix not working on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your charger. After check your charger, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on apps, click on see all apps, scroll down and click on Android update and click on storage and cache. Clear cache Android update. You will see your problem is solved. So you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.